practice, practice all the way. It's a bit challenging, not that easy. It's easier only, but not to that extent. We will see. Oh, they have not given the answer. We have to calculate. They have not given the answer. We have to calculate. So let us do that. So what is? See, Agastya has got one. Let us see. This way would be better. Agastya has got one. What about you? One. Nihal has got one. Others? One. No doubt. So what is dt by dx? Is equal to minus 70 at y is equal to 0. What is q? Q is nothing but k into dt by dx minus k into dt by dx. Small q is equal. K is given, which is 1. dt by dx is given 70. So it is q is 70. 70 watts. Fine. 70 watts per meter square. Correct, correct, no? Okay, 70 watts per meter square. Now what happens? Q is also equal to h into delta T. What is Q? 70. What is h? Don't know. Delta T is 100 minus 30. So 70. So h is equal to. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸುಲಭ, ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಶೇನ್ ಗೇವ್ ಮಿ ಒನ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Last 2020-22 game is like that, was like that only. Too much of reading, and the answer from that is very less. That's why it felt difficult. Otherwise, it's easy question paper. So we have to see previous one, right? So let us see some other question paper other than mechanical. Let us see whether we can have the chemical engineering question paper. How it is, we'll see. That's because of my heat transfer. PI has heat transfers. Production and industrial engineering has heat transfer. No, it's thermodynamics. Easy, Allah. So now first we will start with this guy. Just keep. Let us go with PI. Okay. No, we'll go with chemical because chemical is tougher heat transfer. Not tougher, easy heat transfer easy. Thermodynamics is tough. So let us search chemical from 2022. This is heat exchanger. Okay. This is very important. Next topic would be this, where it is critical thickness of insulation. That question has come. Fantastic question that is. We have to come for with fins students. Yeah, there are a lot of questions on fins, which are really, really good. No, this is not. No, no, nothing. So we'll see PI. Where is PI? Nothing. Then what questions we have? Metallurgy may be there. See these kind of questions. Yes, this you can do. Students, keep in mind, why do we do other this one? Because these similar questions may come this time. That is the reason we give. PI, no, metallurgical and material science, metallurgical engineering, 2022. So we have a lot of scope here. Mechanical is one place where you will get any number of questions because you have in other papers. So 2022 metallurgical meta. Metallurgical is empty, is it not? Although it is heavy, but still empty. Empty is. It's empty, but still heavy. Okay. You will be so strong that even in the sleep, if we are made to wake up and answer this question, you should be able to answer. And then say, let me sleep, and you sleep again. Oh, great. Imagine that. For the fourth, or not 5.8 428 428. Why this one? Why so much of discrepancies? I will see, but I think everybody has to review once. Trishul, what is the answer you got?
428, sir.
428. 406 to 408.
Yeah, so 407 good.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. 406 to 408. Any answer is right. So you have to be very careful in seeing that. Which is material 1, which is material 2. Engineering, very important.
It has to be better too.
However it is, they have shown it. Once they have shown it, what is the problem? You did not see it is your mistake. It's not their mistake. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರಿ Nihal, you do me one help once you're finished. PI is over. 2021 you go and make a search on your mobile and tell me what is the next question. Material science. Metallurgy is over. PI is over. Huh? 407, right? So you will search which paper? Tell me which one. Other one person can search another paper. Done. Sikita. Any stuck category. Okay, I will do it. So Q is equal to K into dt by dx. That is delta t by length. Correct. So ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So you say K1 into 400, sorry, K1 into 435 minus Ti divided by length 25 should be equal to Ti minus 400 divided by length is 25 mm. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ K2 ಇದೆ. K2 ಮತ್ತು K1 ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So what happens? K1 into 4th K1 is to K1 very careful. K1 is 50. So 50 into 435 minus Ti is equal to 200 into Ti minus 400. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 435 minus Ti is equal to 4Ti minus 50 into 4 into 400, that is 1600. Correct? So what will happen here? 435 minus 431 Ti is equal to 1600. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ 431 ಅಲ್ಲ 430. Correct. 431. ಓಹೋ ಸಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಿಮಿಷ. 435 minus Ti. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ Ti ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3Ti ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3Ti is equal to 1600 plus 435, sorry, minus 435. ಸೊ Ti ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. 407 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 1100 65 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3 ಪಿ ಐ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು
Sir, addition, no, sir.
ಎಡಿಷನಾ
5ti divided is equal to 2035.
ಎಡಿಷನಾ ಹೌದೌದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5 ಬರ್ತದಾ ಹೌದು 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 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರಿ ಸೊ 5 ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರಿ ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು PI 2021. Okay. 1 second. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Okay. That's. Let us finish off this one. Heat. That's it. No more question in mining. Next, what else is there where you can get heat transfer? Chemistry. Even if it is there, I don't know. Physics you can get heat transfer, but no one. Okay. Aerospace. Petroleum also will get. Aerospace also. Aerospace you get it. They are very good fluid mechanics. But we don't have it. Okay, leave it. Then we have what you said. Petroleum. Where is petroleum? Petroleum don't have generally because they are more with chemistry. Have this as LMTD. Yeah, LMTD is there. We'll go with petroleum next. Do some problems. Only one question on log mean temperature difference. Okay, petroleum we'll have. Then what else? Done.
Maybe instrumentation.
Instrumentation is about electronics. PI 54th question. This is P. Oh, I'm sorry. That also we will check. Oh, this cannot be searched. Yeah. Wow. Temperature field inside a sphere of radius r with origin as a center is given. Thermal conductivity of sphere material is this, and Fourier law of the net heat leaving the sphere per unit time in watt is superb. It was very good question. Challenging, very challenging. It's a really, really challenging question. I'm actually surprised. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೆಂಬಿಡದ ಭೂತ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭೂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Simplicity gets you marks. ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಯ್ತು, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಓದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. $94,000 kilowatt, 94,000. 107.43 is Agastya's answer. If I tell you the answer, no, I will not say. Agastya may have got the answer, but he might have got the right answer also. I'm not saying no. Okay, so I want all the people to tell the answer. Think. Don't say the skill, how you got it. Agastya, wait a minute. 107 point something. No. If I tell you the answer, no, you will say, oh shit. So easy. Trishul, did you get it?
I'm doing, sir.
Yeah. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್. ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ 0ನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು? 100. central origin is there. So at the temperature at the origin is 100 degrees centigrade. 100 Kelvin, huh? It's not given at all, don't worry. Huh? Kelvin or anything. Okay, whatever be the case, Kelvin we will put. Okay. Temperature profile is given. Fine. Next. At T is equal to T at R is equal to 0.5, how much is it? Okay, we will not have it. Okay, 100. Okay, fine. So T, that is T out, T this one. T at R is equal to 1 meter. That's how much? Minus minus 49. Correct. So heat is transferred from here to here. So it cannot be, why minus 49? Yeah, minus 49.
Yeah. 20.
Now what you require here? Then why is the problem? Formula is what? Formula is our yeah, the same thing. A geometric mean into delta T. Now geometric mean, if you take at the center, it is 0. It creates trouble. 0. So why to take T 0? Can't you take a T is equal to 0.5? Ah, yeah. Hmm. No. See, what happens is, see, whatever be the sphere, one side you have x, there will be a point on the sphere axis, sphere surface, where you have only x variation. So take y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Take along x, your method only I am extending in a better way. Okay, because you all take all the three, you will be in trouble. Take one at a moment. Make sense? So what happens? What is dt by dx? Dt by dx is equal to minus 70 minus 20 x. Fine. So what is, you can take dt by dx, but a log mean how will you take? You can take a log mean. How? R1, R2. What will you take as R2? Is it not? That is why 0.5 has to be taken. Why? Simply temperature profile is given. So when temperature is profile is given, yeah. No, 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 you cannot do it. You cannot do it. The reason I will tell you. Here is trouble. It's not that easy. Okay, wait a minute, wait a minute. Now here, the temperature here everywhere is different, is it not? The temperature here, what is the temperature at x is equal to 0? X is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, what is the temperature? It is minus 49, is it not? That's what you got. X is equal to 1. X is equal to, see, you can have, this is R, right? No, no, no. See here, you take t at x is 1, comma 0, comma 0. What is that? It will be 100 minus 70 minus 10. So that will be 20. Okay. Then t at 0, comma 1, comma 0. What is it? It would be 100 plus 51 minus 20. What is that? 130. So it is not the same. It is not the same. So what is the net leaving? What you have to do? Here it's a difficult question. You have to do surface integral along the surface. Very important, very difficult question. Surface integral along the surface. K anyhow is there. You have to write dt by dx. Yes. Okay. So dt by dx. What is the direction? Dotted with a. You understand? Look at vector calculus. Dt by dx dotted with a, because dt by dx may not be. See, when you take dt by dx, let us take gradient of t. What is gradient of t? Gradient of t you have to take. When you take gradient of t, you will get minus 70 minus 20x, okay, I plus you did that.
Yeah.
Very good. 51
Minus 40.
minus 40y j, then
Minus 18.
minus
18.
you get minus 80 correct. That would be the gradient. Fine. So now what we have to take? We have to take the surface integral. How do you take the surface integral? That is where surface integral comes. Surface integral what? Surface integral of del t dotted with dA. You can do that. Take that. How did you do that divergence theorem? See, get that. I forgot. When I teach only, I remember. Next time I forget. Go back. Let us go to Kreyszig and see it again. So vector calculus. This is Q, is it not? Hmm. Divergence of this is dA. So we have del F into dV. So what you can write? dV we know, del F into dV, right? Integration, right? So del F is F dotted with N dA. F is d t. See, F is dou t del t. What is del F? Del F is del square t, is it not? It is del square t. So find out del square t and integrate with volume. So del square t is what? Del square t is, again, when you do that, you will get it as del square t is this one. So you'll see what you get the del square t as. You'll get one value. Correct? Don't stop your mind. Don't get it stagnant. Think, think. Vector calculus is very important as you go further. So don't become like Ananth Pai who gets stagnated a lot of time. When I went to do my MTech, I used to get stagnated. I did not know how it happens. Then I used to put myself off. We'll do it later. And later on something else will come and I forget. Don't do that. Don't think all questions will be easy only. This may be this time question. This may be question which will come in gate this time. Because it is related to that only. Vector calculus is part of our syllabus. Heat transfer is part of our syllabus. You can combine both and ask a question. And all the easy questions everybody will answer. What will you get you more marks? Tough questions being answered. Huh? Answer is wrong. Same answer, 940. You see this? What's the right answer? So apply vector calculus, you get it. Understand the importance of vector calculus? So it is del square t into v into dv. Del square t we know. There is no xyz there. All the xyz will vanish. You will get one number. It does not depend on x and y and z. So that makes it easy. Del f is constant. Volume, when you integrate the volume, del f will come out. When you integrate the volume, it is the volume of a sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Get it? Fantastic. Happy now? You couldn't guess it. If we did not do this here, if this comes next, you will not be able to do. You will skip. You have to skip. See here. This one. See, generally, I will explain this, students. See, what is Fourier law of heat conduction? Fourier law of heat conduction is Q is equal to Ka minus Ka dt by dx or del T. Now this is okay when along the whole A del T is constant, but del T is not constant over the whole area. You have to take small areas where del T is constant. So what you do, Q is equal to actually double integral of minus of K into del T. Now here del T has a direction. Del T has a direction. Del T is the gradient. If this is like this, if del T is in this direction, area in this direction, the heat transfer along this comes as Ka A dotted del T dotted with dA. Very important. That dot has to be very important. Now this is fine. This is surface integral. Now to how to convert surface integral to volume integral? You say integration of K into say some unit. I'll not have this. Okay, surface integral of F dotted with dA is equal to volume integral of del of F into dV. This is Gauss integration formula. Okay. Now what is del of F? Here F is what? F is del T. Now if you have to convert it into volume integral, if you want to convert it into volume integral, you put volume here and you say K is okay, constant. Del of T into dV. Del of F, is it not? So del of F. Easy. This you cannot guess, I will tell you. And I don't think any mechanical engineering book will have that. They always do post processing. After you get a tough question, this will come. Oh, mechanical last time only the tough question. This time let us do it. It's not like this here. Here we preempt. We will see other question papers. It has come in other question. This time it can come here. So don't miss this, students. Maybe this will come this time. There are a lot of times when from other question papers in main question papers it has come. Similar one. Because we know how they are thinking. Is it? Get the answer, everyone. Don't say it is done. No, you have to solve it. Until you get the answer, it is to be done. So what is this? Generally, what happens when you integrate with respect to volume k into del square t dv. Now here, one thing what happened in this problem is del square t is not a function of x, y, and z. So you are same. It will come out. Integration of volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Don't think this much is difficult, sir. I cannot do. Del square t comes as constant. It does not have any unit. What is that? Del square t came here. Minus minus n. So del square t was minus 100. So what happens? There is a minus here, is it? That will go off. So q is equal to volume integral of minus 100, sorry, k into minus 100 into dv. This would be del square t. So that will come. Integration of dv is, so this would be 100 k into triple integral of volume dv, which gives us 100 k into volume, total volume, and total volume is 100 into k into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Make sense? Like that. I hope you remember what is del. How many of you remember what is del? How many of you don't remember what is del? Del ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋದ್ರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡೆಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡೆಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ವೈ ಜೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ಝೆಡ್ ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಿ ಹೇಳಿಯಪ್ಪ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ I'll do it next. So T what you say del is dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk, and T is what 100 minus 70x 51y minus 80z 10x square. ಸರಿಯಾ now del t ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಡೋ ಬೈ ಡೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತು 0 ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು minus 70 ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಇದೇನು ಬಂತು 2 times so minus 220 x so many I plus next ಇದು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ y ಬರಬೇಕು ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತು y 51 then here y square minus 40y j. What happened? You got the answer? No. You know why wrong answer? Right? Plus. Or I'll put minus. Sorry, yeah, plus. Del square. ಇದು -70 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ -70 -20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ then -40 -40 ಏ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾ ನನಗಂತೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೇಹಾಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಓಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ 130 ತನಕಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2019 is it? Okay. I will search in 2021. Okay, fine. Not there. Metallurgy, aerospace. Okay. Not there, right? PE I will check. No. You cannot search like that. This is petroleum. What's the answer for previous one? What did you get, Trishul? What is 700?
I got 2000.
Correct answer. 2000 or 20,000, pa? Yeah, the answer is here. 54. You see the answer?
Yeah.
20,943.8 to 20,944.1. That
0.95.
95 is the answer. You got it. Not. Yes. Did you get it, Trishul?
I think some point mistake. I got
Ah,
it 2940.
Good.
Point difference.
Hello. 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 ಹಾ ಯಾರು ಇದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಭಯ್ಯ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಭಯ್ಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಭಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ. ಸರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಗೋದು. ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. I put that poster in Treasure Island. No, through that poster, people will call and say, "When are you coming? When will the shop open?" Anyhow, chalo. Yeah, yeah. Check it out, Mr. So it will be nothing but volume. Sorry, heat transfer Q would be K. What is K there? K is given as 50. So you take it as 50. So you take it as 50 into 100 into 4 by 3 into pi. R cube is anyhow 1. So you get the answer. So it is 5000 into pi into 4 by 3, or 5000 into 4 is 20,000. 20,000 into pi divided by 3, something more than 20,000, right? No? Pi by 3 you have to calculate. Pi by 3 is 1 point. Pi by 3, 3.14. So by 3. You can check it out. These kind of questions may be there in some of the exams like HPCL, where they don't give you the calculator. You have to calculate on just like that and you have to solve. Makes sense? So next one. We are searching for the next questions. P, we did not get any. Next. Chemical, did you check 2021, Mr.? You checked, no? Did not. I will check. Chemical, we will check. 2021, I will check. 21, there is a problem. We cannot search. Oh, who is this part? Hello. Hello, ಹೇಳಿ. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಏನೋ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಎತ್ತ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We might be diverging information to CIA also, we do not know. Of course they are interested in that. Everybody is interested in India today. Heat exchanger, we have to come to chemical engineering. A good question in heat exchanger design. A good question on convection. Observe. Convection, good question is there. Turbulent flow through pipes. probability distribution, a lot of questions come. Control system of computers and control systems and chemical engineering. The control system is not just for electronics. It's basically for chemical engineers. Transfer functions, what type?
So in cells and we
Same thing, same,
we that is
same. Done. No questions. 2020 you have checked. 2017 anybody is checking? Any paper? No. There are good questions in chemical engineering, but in first chapter it is not good. This is a good question. Ah, send me that. Send me a screenshot of that. Ah, SK Mondal. He's a very famous teacher in. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. You can share it on the group. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will not solve it here, okay, but you can solve it. Those things. If you have doubt, you can ask the doubt, and I will be able to solve it. Okay. He's doing a good job. In fact, he's giving free of cost to everyone. Yeah, yeah. He writes his own notes and gives it free of cost. Yes. Anyhow, we will stop it, students. Okay, you can check it out. I think no more questions on the first chapter.